Hey guys, welcome back to my trading channel. In this video, I will talk about Aptos coin once again because this token is the worst performing token this year in 2025, especially after the October crash that happened on October 12th this year. And of course, in November, the market also looks quite weak. And we have Aptos going or hitting all-time low of $1.98. So in this video, we have to check the chart whether this is actually intentional or is the Aptos chain dead or what is the future of this chain and does it make sense to hold your position or maybe add on to your position or enter Aptos right now because this is a layer 1 chain which is very well funded and also part of it backed by BlackRock. Now you remember I've covered Aptos in the past and I'm strongly bullish about it, but right now the things say otherwise. But long term, we have to analyze the price action of this token. And if you're someone planning to make an entry on Aptos, well, this can be the time that you should check out this video till the end to understand why Aptos can be one of the best play for the long term. So with that, let's kick off. Let's start the video. Now, if you're here, if you're watching the video, remember this is a crypto trading channel. And if you're loving the video, please do remember to press the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon if you haven't done already. And with that, let's kick off. Let's jump right in. Let's analyze the Aptos chart. So in front of the screen, you can see the price action of Aptos token APT, the main token of the chain. And right now, if you zoom out, you will see, especially on the weekly chart, the token is on a decline. And this decline is one of the worst for the token, which means after hitting the recent high, which was back in the month of December 24 at $12, we are now witnessing the dump to nearly $1, guys. The token is now trending at $2, but yesterday it went all-time low of at around 1.98. You can see here on CMC. This is the token all-time low, November 29th, 2025, which is, by the way, is one of the key landmark for this token because I believe this makes it a very good buying opportunity considering the all-time high was back in Jan 30th, but the recent all-time high, which is made in the month of December 24. So within a gap of 1 year, it fell to all-time low from all-time high of the last year till all-time low of this year, a 1 year gap completely. Now this give me a perspective, a cyclic reaction of this token, the cyclic price action of this token, which is happening like every other cycle. It hit all-time high back in Jan 23rd when it was launched, then go down back in October 23rd, then go back up right over here, then crash down. Now again, we are back over here. Now again, the question here is what kind of price action that we should take to make profit. And what I tell you, we have to take a look at some developments on Aptos from fundamental point of view because technicals are supporting in the long term. We have seen the token bouncing back from all-time low and then pumping back again. And similar to the prior action, we don't know how low it can go. For that, of course, we need to keep watching the charts and start DCing if you believe in Aptos. But when we talk about the fundamental, you will see already nearly $500 million BlackRock's Biddle fund landed on Aptos back in October 22nd, which made it one of the top chains in the RWA asset count, standing at rank third. Now, this is a big move. That means Aptos fundamentals are getting strong with time. Also, not so recently, in the month of November, the early November, this chain amassed a lot of USDT, the stablecoin inflow recorded better than that of Ethereum. Now that's the catch. Something is happening in Aptos, something is going on because tokens like AVEX, Pole, and Apt are crashing, and there's one thing common among them. They all are being funded by the funds of BlackRock recently, and then all of them started crashing. Now that shows a pattern. That means maybe BlackRock or big institutions are trying to wipe out the retail investor before going big time on this token and again cash in the value. That can happen. That is my guess. But looking at the prior action, you can see this theory can be proven right. We are now looking at $2 and we may look at $1 also. That is quite possible. There is no sign of reversal on the technical chart, no sign of reversal on the fundamentals. But overall, I believe this can be the best play. If we have to wait for next 6 months, so be it. So I will be holding my position on Aptos, and I will be DCing it if I get the chance more. And I strongly believe the bounce back is quite close. Since it is going below $2, I think that's a good opportunity for you to cash in. Of course, not a financial advice, but this layer one, I believe or strongly believe, is here to stay at least for next 4 to 5 years. My target will remain at $12, and that was my analysis for the short term and long term. October or maybe the next year of 2026, the same time, I believe it can go to $10 to $15 with ease. That is my take. I go by technicals and fundamentals, and I stay strong on Aptos. What are your views on this token? Comment below, let me know. And with that, I complete my video. If you want to be part of my Telegram group, well, do remember to check out the membership plan and stay ahead of the curve. And again, let's meet tomorrow in a new video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.